In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable live streaming using Google Meet, allowing you to host a webinar with YouTube live streaming. This process is quite straightforward and I'm here to guide you through each step. By the end of this video, you'll be well versed in setting up a live streaming event using Google Meet. To begin, let's head over to Google Meet. If you haven't used Google Meet for live streaming yet, you'll be pleased to know that it's a versatile tool, especially useful for reaching broader audiences by streaming directly to YouTube. Once at Google Meet, the first thing you'll want to do is click on New Meeting. This is pretty much the first piece of the puzzle in setting up a live streaming event. By clicking New Meeting, you're essentially preparing a new event where your audience will eventually join you live. Now, once you've clicked on New Meeting, look for the Start an Instant Meeting option. This option is handy if you want to begin right away without scheduling for a later time. However, if you're planning your live stream for the future, consider using the Schedule in Calendar feature instead. But for today's purpose, we'll proceed with Start an Instant Meeting. This will take you directly into a meeting room where you can set up as if you're about to start a regular video call, which sets the stage for your live stream. Next, within the meeting room, find and click on Meeting Tools. This is where all your meeting settings and options are neatly organized. Think of Meeting Tools as your control panel, where you'll manage different functionalities for your session. It's important to familiarize yourself with these tools because they'll help you customize the experience for you and your audience. Now let's navigate to live streaming, which is housed under the Meeting Tools. Clicking here is where the magic of live streaming begins. You'll be prompted to set up the live stream on YouTube. Google Meet connects seamlessly with YouTube, offering you the capability to expand your meeting into a full-scale webinar. With a few more clicks beyond this video, you can set your stream to public or private depending on your audience needs. This setup opens up a world of possibilities, whether you're looking to host a webinar for educational purposes, a public event, or perhaps a company-wide announcement. The integration of Google Meet and YouTube empowers you to reach wider audiences effortlessly. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned to enable live streaming with Google Meet and take advantage of its functionality to connect with people around the globe via YouTube. Remember to double check all your settings before going live, and you're all set to host engaging and professional webinars. Happy streaming!